Hi guys, so I have two things. The first thing I want to show you is just some quick happy mail that I got in my PO box. It was totally unexpected, and which is my favorite, like just out of nowhere. And it is from Jessie Crafts, so it's from Yesenia, and it is so cute. She sent me a memory deck, and it is so sweet. Look at it, you guys. It has like, like invisible, like she put acetate, so this looks like they're floating. And look how cute this is. Look at this cute girl. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I don't know what where this collection came from. It looks like Vday Buffel, but I'm not sure. Oh, how cute is this? So she's Jessie Crafts. I'm gonna put all of her info below, and she just says, Lisa, happy Valentine's Day, sending you a little handmade love. Oh my gosh. This like made me like want to cry when I saw it. I'm like, what is this? Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, it is just the sweetest ever. And I just wanted to like put it in here really quick before I do this reveal, because they both came in the mail at the same time. So then I also got so I got my return swap from I participated in Crafting the Cove and Coop's Place. And they had a pocket letter, and I was making a pocket letter just for fun anyway because of Valentine's Day, and I was like, okay, how perfect, because the requirements were literally just like a pocket letter and a sweet treat, or like Crafter's Choice or something, so it was super easy. So I was like, that would be so fun to send it, and I used my favorite paper collection. I will try to link the video where I did my reveal in the description bar if I remember. But I got something back, and I don't know who it's from yet, because this is actually a hostess gift from the hostesses, which was so sweet of them. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, wait a minute, hold on. Who is this from, and did they make these adorable? Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. You guys know how I feel about stuffies. You guys, something, I think this, I don't know if this is not what broke, because something broke, like one of those wood veneers. You guys, look how cute. Are you kidding me? They're like chocolate birds. How cute are these? They had to have bought this, right? They could not have made this. Like, is that even possible? Look how adorable these are. They're so cute. Please. They're on there with Velcro. You guys. Oh my gosh, they're on here with Velcro too. They are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. Look how cute they are. They look like chocolate birds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have to know who this is from. We have to know so I can go and rush and thank her on so this is a card from Dollar Tree, and it says, I love you very much. That's so sweet. Okay, wait a minute. I need to know. Oh, my swap entry. Okay, so my swap entry is from Jennifer, and she's on YouTube. She's Clever Duck Creations, and she's J Clever Duck. So I will put her info in the description bar, and I have to I'm gonna have to go find her on YouTube because I'm unfamiliar with her, and I did not watch all of the reveals. For not every single one. There was like 80 something of them, so I probably will go back and watch them because I love pocket letters. But yeah, I didn't watch them, so I didn't see this reveal, so I'm completely surprised. But they also said the gifts in the bags are from the host. That's so sweet. Okay, so they put little goodies in here. They have these two yummy Lindor chocolates. Ooh, so yummy. Okay, love those. Oh my gosh. Love potion. My children are gonna love this. I am gonna definitely give that to them. And then some bees, which is so sweet. And then oh my gosh, these oh, these are cute. I think I saw Erin, who's Coop's Place Craft. I feel like I saw her haul these in like a Temu haul or something, maybe. Anyway, so cute. And then they made a notebook. Oh my gosh, that is so, you guys know how much I love notebooks, so this is right up my alley. Okay, right up my alley. And they even edited this little pen, one of these Pentel pens, and put like paper inside of it. So it says, my heart beats to 3/4 time for you, dear. And it's just like a little notebook. How sweet is that? Okay, thank you guys. These are such sweet host gifts. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me move those over to the side and let us look at this item here. So this is from, we said Jennifer, right? I want to make sure I'm saying her name right. Yes, Jennifer. Okay, Jennifer. So we have this sweet treat here. It is conversation hearts. It's a big pack too. And these are cellos. So I wonder if these are, I know they make like kind of like cordial cherries, like chocolate covered cherries. I wonder if that's what these are. I'm not sure because they're just in there, but they're like individually packaged. So people probably bought them individually, but I will investigate that further later. We know that already that I'm obsessed with this. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, look, a little, okay, so she added something to her pocket letter. How cute. So I wonder if she got mine too. I don't know who got mine yet. Because they did a really good job. They had a lot of people, and it is not easy to host a swap that large. And I feel like it might have been Alyssa's first time hosting, and I know her channel is like so big, it's like blown up so quickly, and they really did a good job like managing that many swap reveals. So my hat goes off to them. And I recognize this collection. This is a Michael's collection from us a few years ago that she used, and this is so cute. She has these little, I think these might be like stickers from, they look familiar. I feel like they might be from Dollar Tree. I feel like they look so familiar. Look at these little macarons, so cute. And these are from Dollar General. I got some of these this year, and I actually use these in my swap. Wait, did I? Yeah, because I did trim and then I lined it. I'm gonna put the Project Real in here. But how cute are these? I use these too. That's so funny. And then she gave me this little like heart that can go on like a keychain or just hang from wherever. So cute. And in the back, there are so many goodies. Oh, there's a note. Okay, good. I love a note. You guys can look at these stamps. Oh my goodness. All these wood pieces. Oh my goodness. These are I think these are from Hobby Lobby. So it says, to my swap partner. So let us see what she says. Oh my gosh, it's a long note. Oh my gosh, look how long it is. She said, okay, I'm Jen. She said, I hope you enjoy the things I've put together. Erin and Alyssa are both so amazing and talented. I have had so much fun watching all the swap entries come in. I'm still new to the crafting community and have just started my YouTube channel, Clever Duck Creations. Okay, you guys. I've been a part of some Happy Mail groups on Facebook and really enjoyed sending out ATCs. Oh my gosh, I have also started to junk journal. Looking forward to hearing what you think of your swap package, your new crafty friend, Jen. And she put like her P.O. box on here. Thank you, Jen. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I have to go find Jen on all of the things. You guys, make sure you go over and follow Jen. I am like trying to get new to junk journaling. So I'm going to be watching because I need all the ideas. My junk journaling is going to be like a little bit modified. And I just talked about, and I don't know if that video has gone up, but I've decided, and this video actually may go up before that one, but I decided when I was recording some videos that I'm going to do a junk journal swap. But it's going to be like modern junk journaling because I have been wanting like so much inspiration on that. And I feel like there isn't that much. There's a lot of like, traditional junk journal, like using actual junk or even using old stuff or vintage stuff. And I'm really not like a vintage old kind of girl. I'm like, let's make a junk journal. But like when we say junk, we really mean like a curated, modern, new items or items that have been unused or like a mixture of like maybe newspaper clippings, not necessarily like old things, like, So anyway, I'm going to host a swap. And I don't know, I think I'm going to make it due in like June-ish, but I'm going to announce it soon. I'm going to like hammer down on the requirements and everything. And it's going to be a modern day junk journaling swap. So I'm going to list a bunch of like paper distributors, like American Crafts, Simple Stories, Stamperia, Graphic 45. I'm going to put a list of like people whose paper collections like you can choose from, and you can mix and match between those places. But I want a certain look because I do want to provide more inspiration for people like me who want to junk journal, because I've been hearing it a lot. It's like we want to do junk journaling, like meaning we want to have like, kind of an eclectic things, but with like the kinds of papers that we like. So I know for sure Davina, who's Little Pink Crafter, made one. And I know like Wendy, who's Glued with Love, made like it's not a junk journal, but it's kind of like one of those little golden books, but it's kind of junk journaly like, but it's with our kind of stuff, that we use over here in the paper crafting community. So I do want to host something like that. So even if we just have 4 people join the swap, I still think it'll be fun and it'll be nice for me to get inspiration and to provide you with inspiration. So I am going to be doing that. I'm going to announce it real soon. I can't believe it because I really was not going to host another swap this year, but I think this one will be a lot smaller and it's not going to have a whole bunch of requirements. The main thing is just going to be to make a junk journal. So I'm looking at you, Karina, Davina, who's Little Print Crafter. Like those are the people that have inspiration out there right now, right this moment, that we can go look at. But I do want to have like more inspiration. So I am going to be hosting that. So you heard it here first because I do think I'm going to post this video tomorrow. And that other video, even though I already recorded it, it probably won't be posted until later on. So in the week. So anyway, look out for that. So Jen, thank you so much. You said Jen, right? Yes, Jen. Okay, because I'm like, I don't want to give you a nickname. But Jen, thank you so very much. I can't wait to head over to your channel after this video. So you'll see me pop up as a new subscriber. If you just started your channel, then, you know, every time you get a new subscriber, like, it'll tell you. And then after you have the channel for a while, it won't tell you anymore. But anyway, I'm going to go over and subscribe. I'm going to put all of Jen's info in the description bar. I'm going to put Alyssa and Aaron's info in the description bar. And I'm going to try to put my reveal of the pocket letter that I sent, that I don't know if it went to Jen or not, in the description bar as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much, Yesenia, for sending me this beautiful mem decks. And of course, I'm going to be sending you Happy Mail back. And I thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.